If you're a home seller getting ready to sell your home, this video's for you. Besides calling a realtor like us, you should also consider a pre-listing home inspection.
Most sellers skip this pre-inspection step, but here's why it's a game changer. Buyers today are using home inspections as contingencies, and if something major pops up, it could break the deal. Getting ahead of those issues means you can fix them. You can then help price your home accordingly, and it provides buyers with an inspection report that could reduce or even eliminate any contingencies.
So today we are breaking down the top 10 areas a home inspector will check and what you need to know about each one. Let's get into it.
Starting off our list at number 10 is your home's heating and cooling system. Check for any weird noises, rust, or signs of old age. If your HVAC system is older than 15 years old, it may be at the end of its lifespan. On a side note, replace those furnace filters before your inspection.
Number 9. Appliances. Did you know appliances are extremely important to buyers? If you're rocking the Harvest Gold or the Avocado Green, it might be time for an upgrade. Make sure you check for leaks, strange noises, and wear and tear on the seals.
Coming in at number 8 is code compliance, smoke detectors in all your rooms, making sure they work properly, handrails where needed, permitted home renovations properly taken care of. Inspectors check all this stuff, and buyers definitely care.
Number 7, check windows and doors. You want to open and close each one to make sure there's no rotting wood, drafts, or cracks. Inspectors are going to see this, and so are buyers.
Number 6, the home's exterior. First impressions really do matter. Look for missing shingles, damaged siding, or clogged gutters. If your roof is looking rough, an inspector is going to call that out, and so will potential buyers. Hey, quick reminder, if you're looking to buy, sell, relocate, or invest in the greater Ashland, Richland, Wayne, or Medina counties, give us a call. We would love to help you out. Okay, back to the list.
Number 5, plumbing. Nobody wants plumbing problems. Check for leaks, low water pressure, and any signs of corrosion. Run all the faucets, flush the toilets, check under that sink for water stains. If you have a septic system, consider pumping it and getting inspected. Nobody wants to buy a new house and have somebody else's poo to deal with.
Number 4 is the electrical system in the house. You would want to look at the electrical panel. Some manufacturers of panels are not safe and the panel should be replaced. Inside the panel, you would want to look for overloaded circuits and doubling of wires on the circuit breakers. In the house, you should look at the receptacles to see if there are scorch marks or anything suspicious. Look for receptacles that are grounded, and in the kitchen and the bathrooms, they should be GFCI receptacles. In older homes, the wiring may be knobbing too. You should look for wire joints also that are not in junction boxes with covers.
Number 3, structural integrity. Look for sagging floors, cracks in the walls, or doors that don't close properly. Basements and attics are key areas where hidden structural issues can show up, like wood-destroyed insects or improper framing.
Number 2, water damage. Water is the enemy of any home. Look for stains, mold, musty smells, or soft spots on walls or ceilings. If you catch issues early, you can prevent major headaches later.
And finally, number 1, the foundation. It literally holds your home together. Watch for horizontal cracks, corner stair step cracks, shifting or bowing walls, or signs of water damage. Now, not all cracks are bad, but knowing the difference between a minor settlement crack and a major structural issue is key.
And that's it. The top 10 things you should look for in your home inspection report. It may seem like a lot, trust me, but doing this before listing your home can save you time, money, and stress.
What do you think? Did we miss anything? If you're a home inspector, appraiser, experienced investor, or real estate enthusiast, drop us a comment. We respond to everyone.
If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in the greater Ashland, Wayne, Medina, or Richland counties, reach out to one of our next homies. We'd love to help you. Welcome home.